Good morning. We're going to try to read a story every day, and first we'll go over the words. The next story in our book is Two Good Things and One Bad Thing. So let's go over the vocabulary. Thrilled. It means to be excited. I was thrilled to get a new bike. Let's go over the sounds. The, r, I, l, d, thrilled. The, r, I, l, d, thrilled. Here the ed is saying duh. Let's count the sounds. The, r, I, l, d, thrilled. Next, state park. You're going to have to read the A and the E at the same time. State, 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 state. Park, P-R-K, park, P-R-K, park. State parks are places where the land is owned by the government, but everybody can go and enjoy them. There's a Sequoia State Park or National Park in California. Yellowstone is a famous park. And we have Seegmar17pt1 Park in Louisiana. So remember, Kate went to a state park to go camping. That's where they found the dinosaur bone. Bummer. Bummer is an expression to show disappointment. Let's practice reading bummer. B-a-m-er, bummer. B-a-m-er, bummer. Makes one sound. Double M makes one sound. It's an expression to show disappointment. Let's go over the tricky words that'll be in this story. Yourselves, 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 yourself, yourself, yourself. Why, because. Because. Remember, the tricky words don't follow the rules of sounding out. You have to remember what they look like and memorize how to read that. Here are some two-syllable words that will be in the story. Mr. That goes before a man's name. Mister, Mister. Mister, Mister. Yippee. Yippee. Yippee, yippee. Shouted, shouted, shout, ed. Here the ed is saying ed, so you get a whole nother syllable. Out, ed. 5 sounds and 2 syllables. Shouted. Look at scratching. You have to be careful of the 3 consonants in the beginning. You have to blend them together. Skr, scratch, scratching, scratching, scratching. Visit. Remember the S can sound like a Z. Visit, visit. Digging, digging. Bummer, bummer. So Mr. goes before a man's name, like Mr. Rogers. Yippee means to be excited. Shouted is past tense of screaming. Scratching, remember Kate had a bug bite in the story, so she was scratching it. Visit means to leave your house and go see someone, like visit your grandmother. Digging, Kate was digging dinosaur bones. And bummer is it's a bummer we're out of school for so long. Now we're going to go over some parts of speech. The bone is big. The bone is big. Bone is the noun. It would go here. Because it's a thing. So you have to ask yourself how the words are being used. Is bone a person, a place, or a thing? It's a thing, so it goes there. Is the verb. Verbs show action and being. So here it's showing being. It's telling you what the bone is. Big is not a pronoun. Big is an adjective, because adjectives tell us what kind or how many, and adjectives also describe the bone. So big is an adjective. Then let me show you. You could write it is big. And it would be the pronoun, because it would replace the bone. That's what pronouns do. They take the place of the noun. So let's put it by pronoun for the second sentence. Okay, so now I'm going to stop this video and we're going to read the book.